So may bagong budol na naman po tayo. Kasi nga magta-travel tayo this coming third week of October. So kailangan natin to. This is power bank from Xiaomi. I'm a fan of Xiaomi. Yung lampshade ko dito sa bahay is Xiaomi. My watch is Xiaomi. Pati yung weighing scale ko is Xiaomi. So, I do believe that this power bank will be good enough for our travel. So, let's just open this up. Secure naman yung pagkakabalot. May bubble wrap and box. Yan, meron ding nakalagay sa harap na parang receipt breakdown of the cost of the item. Pero parang ang laki niya sa regular na power bank. Parang hindi ganito kalaki naman yung in-order ko. Let's just say, check, probably there are just additional protection inside it. Kaya mukha siyang malaki. And ang ganda siya sa kanya, seal na seal. Yun na nga. May free, wet tissue. And this is the power bank that I got from them. So this is Xiaomi 10,000 mAh Mi power bank. Yan. So let's open it up. Seal na seal. Ang ganda ng pagkakabalot talaga nila. Kasi yun na nga. It have carton and bubble wrap. So I believe the item will be here. Syempre. It have a pull up. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, syempre unang bubungad sa inyo yung mga manual. Regarding pala sa shop na pinagbilhan ko nito sa Shopee, I will indicate that on the description below. I thank you again, Manulife Podium Points, for this. So, ito yung kanyang charger. It's type C. Ayan. Then, this is the power bank itself. So, itetest muna natin siya. I-charge natin, fully charged before we try it out. Ayan, it's really sealed. Ayan. So, meron pa siyang cover ng tape para dun sa saksakan niya. At it has 2 USB port, 1 type C, tas isa, hindi ko alam yung maliit. Yung type C is input-output. Yung maliit is just for input. Tapos yung USB section is for output. So, I really bought this kasi nga I'm using an iPhone, and we all know iPhone mabilis malobat, lalo naman pag naka-on yung data, lalo na lumang model ng iPhone yung gamit ko. So, ito na siya. Everything is complete. Thank you. So, I have tried using it for a day. I was able to charge my phone twice. And yung ion generator din ni Stephen, I was able to charge it once. It's really fast charging. Yung ion generator ni Stephen, na-charge lang for an hour. Usually, charge ko siya for 3 hours. So this is really a great find. And it's very compact. Ang liit-liit lang niya. And ang ganda ang gaan din niya. So, thank you Shopee, and thank you Xiaomi for this great find at Shopee. Bye!